The Greek term tekton is defined as craftsman or master builder, especially carpenter, designer, and builder. It derives from a Proto-Indo-European root meaning to carve, to chisel, or to mold. In ancient contexts, the tekton was not just a modern carpenter, but a worker skilled in multiple manual trades, including construction and working with wood, stone, and other materials. In the Septuagint and other ancient texts, the word is used to designate various classes of artisans and builders. At Pulsa Terra, Tekton, we offer dynamic sacred geometry that inspires, transmutes, and alchemizes spaces. We build and design energetic systems to balance and amplify the higher frequencies that allow for a better living environment. Sacred geometry, the visual expression of the harmony and order of this universe. The design language of the cosmos, an ancient science that explores and explains the energy patterns that create and unify all things. It reveals the precise way the energy of creation organizes itself as it arises in spheres, lines, and spirals. If we take a look, we find the elegant expressions of compelling proportional relationships everywhere around us, from the spirals of galaxies to the intricate designs of our nature and the earth. We find the beauty of sacred geometry in a snowflake and our DNA, in seeds, and in flowers. When water is exposed to loving, benevolent, and compassionate human attention, aesthetically pleasing physical and molecular structures are formed in the water as well. At Pulsa Terra, we offer various sacred geometrical forms for your everyday use, each form carrying a sacred meaning and radiating a specific energy. Depending on what energy is needed within and around you, these can be used as a powerful tool in your life. You can place such a form in your personal or working space, use it for meditation and healing practices, ceremonies and rituals, or just watch its effects unfold with just its sheer presence in your close vicinity. We can provide you with a battery motor so that your chosen geometrical form is in constant and dynamic movement, steadily energizing your space with a corresponding crystal inside. In the following, we will present to you the different forms that we offer, as well as their basic meaning. You alone will intuitively know which one you feel drawn to. The pyramid. Believed to be extremely sacred in many cultures around the world, pyramid-like steeples and ancient pyramid structures can be found in Egypt, South America, parts of Asia, Bosnia, and perhaps more places unbeknownst to us. It is said that the shape connects the earth and the heavens, or source and humanity. The bottom of the pyramid represents a solid, earthy foundation, whereas the pointed top represents being able to reach into higher realms of consciousness. What makes the pyramid so powerful is its ability to channel or collect energy from the higher realms and deliver it down to earth for healing and an increased energy flow. Because of its shape, any energy that enters the pyramid has the ability to be cleansed and purified. We offer pyramids in every size, with the maximum being 2 by 2 meters. If you'd like to amplify the harnessing effects of the pyramid by sitting or sleeping within it, this one is right for you. The tetrahedron. The tetrahedron is a polyhedron composed of 4 triangular bases, 6 straight edges, and 4 vertex corners. It embodies fire, the element of change and action, of power and boldness, carrying yang, or masculine energy. When used intentionally, it can help to accelerate personal growth and transformation, passion, new beginnings, strength, courage, purification, destruction, cleansing, energizing, creativity, and confidence. So if there's times when you feel pessimistic, apathetic, depressed, or unexcitable, if you find self-motivation difficult, feel passive, detached, and uninvolved in life, or apprehensive when taking risks, this form can bring the fire back into your life and light you up inside. The tetrahedron also balances out a strong watery energy or an overly dominant right brain hemisphere by stimulating a rational mind and initiative. An octahedron has 6 verticals, and at each vertex 4 edges meet. In the case of a regular octahedron, an octahedron has 8 faces that are shaped like equilateral triangles. Real-world examples of octahedrons include diamonds, ornaments, dice, and Rubik's cubes. Representing the element air, an octahedron is connected to the mind, intellect, communication, freedom, innovation, beauty, and art. If you lack the element of air in your life, you might feel a lack of ideas, objectivity, and self-reflection. You may also feel uncomfortable expressing yourself. You might yearn for social interaction, yet frequently feel out of contact or misunderstood. The octahedron will make it easier for you to connect with your high mind, to gain clarity, insight, and new ideas, to express your creativity through your voice, and to speak from the heart. Being able to balance out the element earth, the octahedron can help you to get out of your own way and put you in touch with the lighter side of life. The hexahedron. In simple words, we can say that a hexahedron is a three-dimensional figure that has 6 faces. Some of its common examples are cube, cuboid, quadrilateral frustrum, etc. A cube is a regular hexahedron that has all faces as equal squares, with 3 squares meeting at each vertex. If you happen to feel compulsive, disorganized, impractical, or too much up in the clouds, unproductive, or lacking in stability, security, and resilience, it could be an indication that the element Earth is missing in your life. The hexahedron sits flat, firmly rooted to its spot, firmly grounding you. It helps you to reconnect with the Earth and nature, removing tension and stress. Other metaphysical effects are the enjoyment of life through the senses, stability, steady step-by-step development, achievement of your goals, and overall being practical and determined. It balances out a too prominent element of air as the root of your anxiety due to continuous overthinking. It is only with this early foundation that creativity and work can truly spark. The icosahedron. In geometry, an icosahedron is a polyhedron with 20 faces. The name comes from ancient Greek, ikosi meaning 20 and hydra meaning seed. It stands for the element water and holds the sacred feminine, or the yin energy. It represents emotions, intuition, sensitivity, and empathy. When you have a void of water element, you may struggle with connecting with your emotions, understanding the emotions of others, or expressing empathy. You may tend to rationalize or intellectualize your emotions, potentially struggling with connecting to your own emotional depth, which means your masculine brain hemisphere is overly dominant. The icosahedron helps you to understand emotions as they arise. It allows you to have a clear sight of why you experience certain emotions and helps you not to react but to respond to them. It furthermore opens you up towards acceptance, receiving, movement, flow, love, compassion, and psychic awareness in your everyday life as well as in your dream state. Should you find yourself having excessive fire energy in your life and within you, the icosahedron will balance out aggression, impatience, impulsiveness, and dominance. It's also the perfect healing tool for finding balance and harmony in the areas of fertility and sexuality. The dodecahedron describes any polyhedron with 12 flat faces. The most familiar dodecahedron is the regular dodecahedron with regular pentagons as faces, which is a platonic solid. The dodecahedron represents the element ether, with its functions being ascension, expression, the divine creation of life, and the highest form of consciousness. It will raise your frequency and help you to connect with higher dimensions and your highest self, which makes it the perfect tool for meditation. It does not only raise your own frequency, but the frequency of your environment as well. The Merkaba. The core of this geometry is a grid of overlapping circles known as the flower of life. Looking more closely at the figure, we understand how it stands for balance, stability, and integration. The top tetrahedron represents masculine energy, which stands for logic and rationality, while the bottom one represents feminine energy, which stands for emotion and intuition. It is the place where fire and air unite with water and the earth. It brings about ultimate balance and harmony of the energies within, the golden ratio, the middle path. Thus, it is known to be an energetic, mystic, and powerful portal to tap into divine wisdom, to align yourself to your true purpose on earth as well as your true potential. The aim of using the Merkaba in our spiritual practice is to ultimately cause the union of our physical and spiritual selves. As we merge into the divine consciousness, more and more of our physical body is said to be filled with light. In the Egyptian language, the word is broken down into 3 parts. Mer means light, Ka means spirit, and Ba means body. Merkaba, light body activation. The Metatron Cube. Guarded and guided by the ethereal archangel Metatron, known as the Angel of Life, its design pulses with the divine energy. Metatron is variously identified as the Prince or Angel of the Presence, as Michael the Archangel, or as Enoch after his bodily ascent into heaven. The Metatron Cube is not just a mere symbol, it's a cosmic map encapsulating every geometric form that the divine has whispered into existence. It consists of 13 circles connected by lines, forming a complex geometric pattern that encompasses the 5 platonic solids and is therefore believed to contain the building blocks of creation. The Metatron Cube is said to hold powerful spiritual and energetic properties, such as providing a visual focal point for meditation, dispelling negative energies and inviting positive ones, promoting healing and protection, opening up your communication with the divine, and even amplifying the energy of your crystals. The Metatron Cube is also said to activate and align your 13 main chakras, as the 13 circles within the cube are in correspondence with them. Due to the platonic solids embedded in the cube, it connects you with the 5 elements: fire, earth, air, water, and ether. In a nutshell, this geometrical shape aids you in spiritual transformation and connects you with universal life force energy that can enhance any of your spiritual practices. The Chestahedron. The Chestahedron is a unique 7-sided geometric shape with profound resemblance to the human heart. It is even said to be the very geometrical basis of this powerful organ. When spun in water at an angle similar to the heart's position in the chestahedron begins to circulate the water in spirals and vortices. The heart is not just a mechanical pump, as widely assumed, but a miraculous vortex generator. Being around and working with the chestahedron stimulates the universal principle of flow and movement. As the chestahedron so beautifully represents the universal principle of flow, being in its presence may stimulate movement within your energy field. Any stagnation or blockages, be it physical, energetical, mental, or spiritual, may be released and cleared. More than that, this astonishing geometrical shape is even said to reduce electrosmog within your home. The cuboctahedron is a unique shape in sacred geometry, known for its perfect balance and symmetry. It's made from 8 triangular faces and 6 square faces, blending qualities of both the cube and the octahedron. In sacred geometry, the cuboctahedron is sometimes linked to the concept of zero-point energy, or the vector equilibrium, a state where all forces are in perfect alignment. This idea was explored by Buckminster Fuller, who saw the shape as a model for pure potential and structural integrity. Spiritually and psychologically, being near or meditating on a cuboctahedron may help bring you into a state of calm and centered awareness. Its even harmonious design can subconsciously encourage feelings of emotional stability and mental focus. People often use this shape in meditation spaces, healing practices, or as a visual reminder to stay present, aligned, and centered. And last but not least, we present to you Pulsaris, a geometrical form that has been created by Pulsar Terra founder Hans Richard and Dr. Iris Vergin. Representing completedness, divine order, and balance, the 12-pointed star perfectly embodies the integration of 12 core healing areas in human life. These have been identified as aromatherapy, the reprogramming of your mind and emotional anchoring via frequency therapy, nutrition, orthomolecular medicine to achieve an optimal biochemical balance in the body, water, grounding, alchemy, provision, emotional, physical, and digital detox, homeopathy, bodywork, and energy work. Carrying the vibrational quality of wholeness and divine perfection, the Pulsaris is specifically designed to take effect in the 3 dimensions of your being and to help you bring about the healing of your body, mind, and soul.